Okay guys, ever wanted a quick way to let customers jump straight into your most popular categories right from the homepage? Well, this section makes it feel genuinely effortless. Today we're adding this collections list section to your store. So let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for SK Collections List number 15. You'll find this section here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section and search for SK Popular Categories. Then choose that section. It'll be added instantly and its settings open up on the left side. But we don't really need those settings right now, so let's simply close this and click on any card, and its settings open up on the left side too. First, let's add an image for that collection, whatever you want to showcase here. Then add the collection link for it. After adding the link, let's change the heading to match that collection. I'll customize each card the same way, based on my own needs. This is a partner account, so I don't have too many products to work with, but the process stays the same either way. Once the cards are ready, let's close these settings and open the main settings of the collection by clicking on the section's background. First, I'll change the heading to Shop Popular Collections. Now let's scroll down and change the font style of the heading text. Just click on it and choose whatever font you'd like. I'm going with Poppins as always. And let's increase the size a bit and set the font weight to semi-bold. There are a lot more settings here too, like heading color and quite a few card settings such as gap and size. After that, I can change the overlay color of the card images, but I won't be touching that right now. Below that, you'll find even more settings you could easily customize, but I'll leave those alone too, and I'll just set the width to max. Once you're done with all that, hit save, and this section goes live on your store. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help.